Before us stands the TOS-1A Sonspec, an armored thermobaric rocket system built to deliver concentrated firepower against fortified positions and area targets. Mounted on a tracked chassis and armed with a 24-tube launcher, the system combines battlefield mobility with devastating salvo capability. As the crew prepares for engagement, the launcher is carefully aligned toward designated targets and readied to fire thermobaric rockets engineered for increased range and destructive effect. The firing sequence begins as rockets erupt from the launcher in rapid succession, streaking toward the target zone with immense force. Designed for close fire support, the TOS-1A employs thermobaric munitions capable of generating powerful blast and heat effects across the impact area. Protected by armor and capable of rapid deployment and concentrated rocket fire, the TOS-1A Sonspec remains one of the most distinctive thermobaric weapon systems in service.